Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to pay your BESCOM ASD fee online or the BESCOM additional security deposit amount online from the BESCOM website. So let's start. As usual, open up the web browser and enter bescom.co.in. Once the page loads up, you can also register and log in with your user ID and password to see the list of accounts and then pay the ASD fee against the specific account number. If not, you can also pay the ASD fee without registration by clicking on this online payment link on the main page. Click on online payment, then enter the account ID as mentioned on the BESCOM bill or the ASD fee notification letter. So just enter the account number or the account ID, enter this captcha code or the verification code over here. If it is blank over here, just click on this refresh button. You will get a new verification code. Enter the verification code here and then click continue. And here you will have different options: payable, ASD, ISD, MSD, AISD. So you just check with the account ID that you have mentioned. Make sure the name, the address is as mentioned on the electricity bill or the BESCOM bill. Now since we'll be paying the ASD fee or the additional security deposit, we'll have to click on ASD. As soon as you click ASD button here, you will be able to see the total amount that you will have to pay. Just verify this amount with the ASD fee notification letter from BESCOM. And then enter the email address if you would like to receive a acknowledgement for the payment of the ASD fee. Also, you should enter your mobile number to receive a confirmation SMS for the payment made towards ASD. Okay. Once you have verified all the details, click on this checkbox here. I have read and agree to the terms and conditions for online payment. Select this checkbox here and click on make payment. And here you will be given different options for the online payment gateway. One is BillDesk, IDBI, Tech Process, and through Vijaya Bank payment gateway. Just select BillDesk, which is fast and convenient, or whichever you are convenient with, and then click on Pay Now. Please do not press refresh or back button while transaction is processing. Okay, and you'll see this convenience fee will be charged in addition to 1050 total amount payable. That is Visa or MasterCard credit cards. It will be 1% of the transaction amount plus applicable GST. If you are paying via debit card, it will be 0.25% of the transaction amount plus applicable GST. So now we'll just use the credit card, which is nothing but 1% of the transaction amount. So I enter the credit card number here, enter the month of expiry as mentioned on the credit card, enter the year of expiry as mentioned on the credit card, enter the 3-digit CVV code as mentioned on the back side of your credit card, enter the card holder name as mentioned on the credit card, and then click on make payment for ₹1050. You'll be able to see the transaction amount, which is 1050, the convenience fee, which is 1%, that is nothing but 10.50, and then click on proceed with payment. Then you will be redirected to the card issuing bank page where you will have to enter your verified by Visa password or the one-time password or OTP. An OTP has been sent to your registered mobile. Since I have been using a Citibank credit card, it has redirected to the Citibank verified by Visa page. Now I'll have to enter the OTP which I've received on the registered mobile number. I'll enter that. I've received the OTP now. I'll enter that and then click on next. Once the authentication is complete, you will be redirected to the payment confirmation page. So now I can see that the transaction status is success, transaction ID, transaction date and time, the reference number, the account ID, the email ID to which the acknowledgement will be sent, and the transaction amount. If you'd like, you could also make a copy of it by clicking on this print button here and save as PDF. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.